Your question is, what makes you a better candidate than the others? What makes you a better candidate than the others?
Thank you for that question. Well, at such a time like this, when we are facing that impending irreversible situation in the city of Baguio, they call urban decay, we need a congressman with a background being an engineer. Among all the candidates for congressman at this time, Popo Cosalan is the only geodetic engineer and civil engineer. We give importance to planning, and we will consider the comprehensive land use plan of Baguio because it embodies the dreams and desires, the plans of the city of Baguio. That is what makes us different. Aside from that, among all the candidates, I am the only Ibaloy and Kankanaey of Benguet descent. It was mentioned earlier that for the development of Baguio, we need to consider and pursue the BLIST concept of development. BLIST stands for Baguio City, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuban, Tublay. These are all Ibaloy communities. It has long been since the 1990s that we hear of this concept, but to this moment, it has not been effective. Why? Because you need to send an ambassador to the province of Benguet in the person of a Ibaloy-speaking Congressman Popo Cosalan. Of course, as we said earlier, we are Baguio-born, and we have served already for 15 years as your city councilor. Adamatan itinad adalkon. We have already learned much from our peers and from the process. Also, it's been 38 years that I have been serving you as a practicing geodetic engineer and civil engineer based here in the city of Baguio. And maybe above all, I have been serving as a minister of the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ for the past 24 years. That is why we will pursue, as your congressman, the implementation and improvement of what we have authored, the Baguio City Character City Ordinance. We will work for the funding. We will work for the review of existing laws affecting the city of Baguio, particularly that on land matters, because basically, if you have problems with business, with building permits, we go to city land issues. Thank you.